multi-fiber, and MPO SoC Fusion Splicer. Hello, this is UCL Swift. We would like to present the Swift and KR12A KR12 Mass Fusion Splicers. KR12A and the KR12 splicers are the best performing and most effective tools for splicing multi-core ribbon fiber and installing MPO Fusion Splice-on connectors in the data center. Using fixed V-groove alignment technology, it is possible to fuse single-core fiber to 12-core ribbon fiber and assemble MPO Fusion Splice-on connectors on-site for both 12-core ribbon and round cable. The dimensions of KR12A are 136 mm wide, 215 mm long, and 132 mm high without a rubber bumper, weighs 2.3 kilograms, and is equipped with a 5-inch color display on the front side. The dimensions of the KR12 are 130 mm wide, 158 mm long, and 126 mm high without the rubber bumper, weighs 2.1 kilogram, and is equipped with a 5-inch color display. Both are capable of splicing with environmental conditions from 0 to 5,000 meters above sea level, ambient temperature range of -10 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, relative humidity of 0 to 95%, and wind speed of 15 meters per second. The splicers illustrate stable performance even in an extreme environment and are dustproof, waterproof, as well as shockproof. KR12A and the KR12 are passive alignment fusion splicers, and the mean splice loss is 0.05 dB for single-mode fiber, 0.02 dB for multi-mode fiber, 0.08 dB for DS fiber, 0.08 dB for NZDS. Return loss is greater than 60 dB. Arc time is generally 20 seconds in standard single-mode fiber, which makes the splice more stable and precise. The splice loss estimation is performed after splicing. The applicable fiber standards are SM, G.652, G.657, MM, G.651, DS, G.653, NZDS, G.655. The all-in-one function of the KR12A splicer is patented by UCL Swift. This provides the best workability and convenience on poles or in limited spaces by integrating stripping, cleaning, cleaving, splicing, and sleeving functions into one splicer. The automatic thermal stripping of the all-in-one function is fast and accurate, taking less than 5 seconds to strip with 27 millimeters of fiber. Manual strippers can produce scratches or cracks in the surface with stripped fiber, which can degrade the tensile strength of the manufactured glass to as low as 0.3 kilogram force compared to 2 kilogram force or more when using a thermal stripper. Pump technology is applied to the cleaning function, and the dispenser is designed to be removable and refilled with fiber cleaning fluid. Cleaving can be operated automatically with a one-touch button. We guarantee more than 2,000 cycles using 12-core ribbon fiber. The average cleave angle is within 0.5 degrees, and the fiber fragments are automatically collected in the chip container. KR12A and the KR12 are passive alignment fusion splicers, and the mean splice loss is 0.05 dB for single-mode fiber, 0.02 dB for multi-mode fiber, 0.08 dB for DS fiber, 0.08 dB for NZDS. The applicable fibers range from single core to 12 cores, and the Splicer has configuration options including 300 fusion modes, 100 heater modes, and 50 stripping modes. The lifespan of electrodes is more than 1,500 times based on 12 cores. Fusion protection sleeve heating times are between 20 and 50 seconds, based on the number of fibers in general. It takes 20 seconds for a sleeve for 1 to 2 cores, and 50 seconds for a sleeve for 4 to 12 cores. Mounting and utilizing the provided sleeve loader increases convenience for the user and reduces contamination within the splice area. The battery life, including splicing and sleeve heating, is 130 cycles for KR12 and 170 cycles for KR12A. KR12As and the KR12 splicers will be your best partners to simplify the complexities of fiber optic splicing.